What's up, guys? Long time no see. It's your boy David again. And we got a Z06 finally. We already know what the Z06 does. Z06 one right here. I'm excited to do this one, so let's get to it.
JP.
Got the panels off, as always. Tape up the car to protect the paint. So I got the fenders off and I got the door panels off. Now it's time to wire up all the wiring and modify it, and then we'll go from there. I'm putting on the kit, and from here we're going to adjust the hinges, so therefore the doors can open smoothly. Got the both hinges on both sides, and right now pretty much what I'm doing is installing the shocks, which supports the door, makes it go up and down.
JP.
Alright folks, so right now pretty much what I did is just reinstall the wiring and the door panel, and then in a bit pretty much right now I'm just gonna make sure the adjustment on the door is good, open and close it, hook up the wires, and then test everything after. This time we're gonna perform surgery. We're gonna have to cut it up. Wish me luck. pretty much going to do is the final adjustments, make sure everything fits flush, the door closes perfect, and we'll go to the next side. Alright folks, I got the fender zone adjusted. Now I gotta put everything back together, put the wheels, fender flares. But yeah, the doors are closing perfect. Opening perfect. We're ready to roll. Finally got the Z06 completed. It's the front project, and it really looks good on this car. It looks really good. If y'all have any questions, or if y'all are interested in getting your doors done pretty soon, let us know and we'll take care of you.